how to use clone line item table and ClearTable functions in eFlow. I will drag and drop one calculate tool and I'll double click it and I will choose the data element to be calculated, and then I go to functions and first I search the clone line item table functions, and the table will be sales to table. Alright, this is done. So we clone table with this calculate tool, and from action button it goes to clone table. And let's make the background color red for this button, and it goes back to task form. And then I grab another calculate tool and this time clear table, and I set my again calculated that data element as sales. I go to formulas and this time I go for clear table, this function, and again the table to be cleared will be sales table, and this time from action let's say clear table, and the background color will be this time red, and it will go back to task form. Yes. So the clone table function, clone line item table function, and clear table functions I used by calculate tool. I save my process and I activate it. I go to eFlow and I just run my process. You see my buttons. This is sales table, and I clone this to this table by using that function. And now I want to clear it just by using clear table. You see the table is cleared.